Instagram, how to archive all posts. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can archive all posts on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to archive all of the posts on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your Instagram application here. And now you cannot archive all posts at once, but you can archive them one after another. So what you can do is just make sure to select the post you would like to archive. Tap on the three dots option there and you'll find the option known as archive, where you can tap on it and that post will get successfully archived, and repeat the process for all the other ones. If you want to get it back from your archive, tap the three lines option there and go to the archive section here. By default you will be under stories archive, so make sure to select that and go to post archive. Then from here you can just select the post that you have archived here, tap the three dots option, tap on show on profile, and they will get successfully showed back onto your profile as well. This way you should be able to actually archive all posts. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.